In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Evernote notes into Notion. If you've been using Evernote for a while and are curious about how to bring your information over to Notion, you are in the right place. We'll be guiding you through this process step by step, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, let's open Notion. Once you've logged into your account, you'll need to head straight to the settings. Look for the settings icon, which is typically found on the left-hand side of your screen if you're using a desktop browser. Clicking on this icon will take you to a screen where you can manage various account and workspace settings. Next, you'll want to find the import option. This is a vital step in transferring your notes efficiently. The import function is designed to help you integrate different content sources seamlessly into your Notion workspace. Click on Import, which depending on your interface might be represented as a button or tab. This will open a new menu featuring various platforms and apps that can be imported into Notion. From the menu, you'll now need to select Evernote. Evernote is one of the supported platforms in Notion's import feature because of its popularity and the structured notes many people have accumulated over time. Click on Evernote, and Notion will immediately start preparing to bring over your notes. At this stage, you'll be prompted to give permission for Notion to access your Evernote account. This permission is necessary to ensure that all your notes can be accessed and copied over safely. Make sure you read through the permissions dialog carefully so you're aware of what access you're granting. After ensuring everything looks okay, go ahead and click to grant permission. With the permission granted, you'll be asked to connect your Evernote account to Notion. Here, the system may ask you to log into your Evernote account if you're not already logged in. This connection is crucial for syncing your notes, so ensure you have your Evernote login details handy. After logging in, confirm that you want to connect the two accounts. Once the accounts are connected, Notion will automatically start the process of importing your notes from Evernote. Depending on the amount of content you've stored in Evernote, this process could take some time. Be patient and avoid closing the browser or app during the import to ensure everything transfers smoothly. And there you have it. All your notes are now imported into Notion, and you should see them appear in your workspace ready to be organized or edited as you see fit. Switching from Evernote to Notion can seem daunting at first, but with these clear steps, the transition can be quite seamless. Thanks for following along today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy exploring and organizing your notes in Notion.